we went shopping for this week's adventure. That's a big surprise, huh? We shopped at Goodwoods British Market online, and we just got our box in. So we thought we'd unwrap it all and show you what all we got, our British food and sundries. Let's go.
One thing we got were hula hoops. These are just a really favourite snack when we're in England. We thoroughly enjoy them. They're a little crispy, but they're little circular things.
Hence the name hula hoop.
Hula hoops, yeah. So these are just a lot of fun. We thoroughly enjoy them, and you can't get them here. Maybe there's something you're aware of that it is similar. Let us know in the comments.
They are yummy. And everything was packaged really well. We got several jars of things, and they were bubble wrapped, and as far as we can tell, nothing was damaged. And there were also layers of paper and some more bubble wrap between the items, so we were really pleased with the packaging.
I did buy a pack of scone mix. I have no idea what this is like, but I wanted to send a gift to someone. Wanted to send them some scones and jam and cream, and it's kind of hard to send scones through the mail, so got them a scone mix so that they could make their own. So just hoping that that turns out well for them.
And we got some clotted cream to go with the scone mix for that gift. This is the Devon Cream Company, which of course clotted cream, well, is arguably the best in Devon, but I think Cornwall might disagree with that, but it's good from that part of the country.
And what good is a cream tea without clotted cream?
These next few things were well wrapped in bubble wrap. I got some of my Devon custard. It's really good on pies and everything because I love custard. You can also put sliced bananas in it, and that's really good. So I can't wait for my can of custard. We also got some blackcurrant jam. And
Another thing that it's hard to find here.
Yes, Americans don't seem to love blackcurrant. We can get it, but it's not Robertson's, and it's some other brand we don't know, and well, we were ordering, so we got the kind we like. And I treated myself to a can of lemonade, and of course, it's our whites. So that is exciting.
The dessert, as long as we were ordering, we got some dark chocolate digestives. These are my favorite. These were the kind of cookies that my parents would snack on when I was growing up and we weren't allowed to have because they're so good. We can get them here from time to time in World Market. I think has it. Sometimes Publix has some, but sometimes Publix only has the milk ones, and these are dark chocolate, which I really like. So while we were ordering again, why not?
We also got a super fun treat. We got some raspberry jam tarts. This was the only brand that Goodwoods carried of jam tarts, and they happen to be free from gluten, wheat, and milk, which, you know, that's a bonus, but we didn't really need that, but still it's a bonus. We are super excited about jam tarts. We also got a couple of fun things, including another gift for some friends, so hopefully they're not watching this video.
But it's a window decal. This is a window decal of Her Majesty, so you can ride around with her in the back seat.
Yeah, you put her in your back window. You thought they would enjoy that.
Right.
And my goodie to myself is a Tardis phone holder, so I can just set my phone. I think I just put it backwards. Goes in that way. There we go. So I can just set my phone there on my desk, and I was wanting a phone holder, so I had to get a Tardis, of course. I splurged a little on that. That's my extra treat. Thanks for joining us for our fun British shopping haul. We have another one coming with Christmas goodies. They're shipping our Christmas goodies in November. We're very excited for that. So we hope you'll join us in November for our Christmas shopping haul. And do the thing.
Give us a like if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below. Click the bell notification so you'll know when we put up the next one.
And if you have a favorite British food, comment below because we want to know what it is.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.